everyone, we are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET, and I'm Heidi, and I am with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
And I know this kind of just, you start off the day, because you can use what? Homemade granola.
Right, so you can make a snack and make a parfait out of this with a little bit of yogurt. You can obviously use that for breakfast also. But one of the advantages of making your own granola is it's so much cheaper to make it yourself. And then one of the other things is that you can really customize it to be whatever you want it to be. So it can be less fat, less salt, less sugar, and then, you know, if your child is allergic to peanuts, don't use peanuts. So we're gonna start off here with 2 cups of oats.
Okay.
A cup of walnuts.
So you can just mix and match whatever your favorite things are.
Cup of pecans, cup of sunflower seeds, and yes, you can do whatever you want.
Or your family wants.
7 or 8 cups of whatever is good for you.
Okay.
So if you're wanting to make it a little lighter in calories, then you would probably do more oats, less nuts.
Okay.
Okay, and we have some Chex corn cereal, so you could use rice, so we're keeping this gluten-free.
Okay.
And so this is another reason to do it yourself, because you can really control those ingredients for health reasons.
So determining what you're really focusing on,
Right.
You just adjust accordingly.
Right, so we have some raw pumpkin seeds, we have some raw sesame seeds, and some chia seeds.
I mean, that just looks pretty.
Yeah, you could add some flax meal to this. That would be another really good addition. So once this is all just mixed up, we also, on the stove over here, we have a little bit of canola oil, honey, cinnamon, a little bit of brown sugar, and that mixture is just gonna go.
That's just helping kind of form it all together, basically.
So rather than it being like a muesli, if you're familiar with that, where it's just, you know, loose and not cooked, this is all gonna get baked in the oven until it's nice and toasty and crispy. So you're gonna put it in for about half the time, which is 20-ish minutes, and then take it out, stir it, put it back in for 20-ish minutes, and then you have your own granola. And so just store this in a covered container in your pantry. Don't store it in the refrigerator because it will get kind of soggy in there.
Okay.
So you want it to be nice and crisp. And so as soon as this is all incorporated, if we had a little more time, I'd probably
stir it all a little bit
really
together.
make sure,
Now, can you very quickly adjust, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt, adjust the liquid ingredients at all, or does that have to stay pretty true?
We just have a ratio of the liquid to dry measure, but you know, if you want to use honey or brown sugar or coconut sugar, some other natural sugar, maple syrup, you could definitely adjust those. We're using canola oil. If you wanted to use avocado oil or some other neutral tasting oil.
Just something that'll form it a little bit more.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is just gonna all go on the sheet pan.
It looks so good already.
And this mixture of the cinnamon, did I say cinnamon? It has that in there too, and it just smells so good. So like I said, this is just gonna go right into the oven.
And how long will this keep?
It's definitely gonna keep a week or so at least. And that's another thing, is it doesn't have any preservatives, so that's another thing that you're controlling by making it yourself.
Okay, perfect.
So then our finished product here
I know
is
it
some
looks
granola.
so good. Everybody take a peek. And if you want to learn more about this recipe or more, go to kjrh.com.